What's going on? January, cold day, snowing outside, so what better to do but to work on your bike. So I am working on my bike, and this is what I'm doing here, taking off my front wheel so I can put on my carbon fiber wheel. So I'm using this pit bull stand. I bought this option here to hang my caliper. I thought it was pretty neat, so I just put it on here. It's just with a screw on the little notches right here. So you put your caliper bolts right here so you don't get lost. Throw your caliper up here. I think you're supposed to put it in one of the little holes right here, but yeah, some way like this. Yeah, like that. It'll hold it. I'll put it up there once I get the other side off. So yeah, just taking a loose the wheel here. Pitbull is a pretty good brand here. Lift it up. Wasn't too hard. I did have the bike a little bit lowered, so I just had to feed. Let's see if we can get the camera in here. So there's the feed that we had to get. So the center fork, that's how you lift it up, and it works pretty well. Yeah, it works pretty well. So this is how my Sunday's going. I'll take a loose this other side here. I've already, let's see, loosened it. Let's see. So I just got to take this loose, the axle, loosen the axle, pull the axle out, and take a loose this front brake duct. I'm gonna take this off. I can't get to that nut right there. But yeah. So this is the caliper holder that I got from Pitbull. It attaches onto this notch right here, just like that. Let me show you guys. This notch right here. I apologize about the lighting. That might be a little bit better. So yeah, it's right here. There we go. So just got to bolt that down, tighten it up. All right, so we're going to take these caliper bolts up, loosen those up. These are some spacers I got here from CNC. Nice little spacers. Take that, put it up here in my holder. So yes, right now the temperature is about 32, 33 degrees. So there's a little rain, a little moisture, a little snow or freezing rain, whatever you want to call it. Not any accumulation though, so that's cool. Alright. Put that up here. Now I want to move my caliper from the rotor. And it's a pretty tight fit, as you can see. I don't want to scratch these wheels up or the rotor. So, and this will just be hung up here once I move the wheel out of the way. You have to take a loose the brake duct. So I take this bolt off. Like so. Much easier. All right, there we go. So now it gives me access to my axle bolt. Alright, so I got the axle nut loose. Take that off. Put that over here so that we don't lose it. And I need my rubber mallet. Good old trusty rubber mallet. Alright. So I should just be able to pull this axle out. My big screwdriver. there we go. Voila. So there's the axle. Put that down here. And have the wheel off. All right, got the wheel off. So now yeah, now we can start breaking down this wheel so I can put the carbon fiber wheel on. Alright, so there was a little change in plan here. I had planned to put the wheel on manually, but I didn't want to damage the wheel. So what I went ahead and did is just put one side of the tire on and took it up to my local motorcycle shop and got the wheel on. So now I'm going to put this front wheel on. I'm not doing it now though because it's cold. It's like in 21 degrees, I think, last time I looked at the temperature. So yeah, but this is the finished product. It looks nice. Don't look like they got it. Didn't need no weight, but I have something just in case I do need to balance it. I had the little glass beads that you put inside the wheel. The only really thing I did different, these are the bolts, the factory bolts that come on the wheel. I think I'm gonna weigh them just to see, so you can see the difference from those and the titanium bolts that I actually got. So I got these Pro-Ti race bolts. Are titanium, black in color. So yeah, this is the finished product. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna put it on right now because it's kind of cold out here. I'm not in a hurry anyway, but once I get the wheel on, then I gotta switch bikes. Put my Aprilia on the rack, which is actually being occupied now by my Ninja, because I have a chain 520 chain conversion and lighter sprockets, so I'm gonna do all that, I guess, at the same time. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an update here what we got going on, see how the final product came out. And it's just the front wheel, so yeah. Okay, 120, we'll say 121. This is the grams on these bolts from the front wheel. It's holding the brake rotors. One bolt is about, let's see, 10.4 grams. That 0. And the titanium bolt is 6.28. 2728. Okay, this is going to be the rear. There are 5 bolts for the rear wheel. Currently at 50.23 grams. Yeah, these are bolts in titanium. So we've got 30.52 grams.